Right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I just want to welcome you. I want to let you know that we have two back-to-back winning days. Yesterday was another winner. We were up around, I can't remember, I think it was 12 something K. Today we're up around 9.5 thousand dollars on the day. It's a great way to end off the week. We're gonna go enjoy our weekend now. Absolutely fantastic. This part is gonna be a trade recap. I just want to let you know in advance that while I was on stream, Trade Syncer, which is my trade copier software, it was glitching out. It wasn't showing the live the live P&L. It was like sort of hitching and everything. You'll see it in the video because I'm also going to add the live trading session after it, just like I did on yesterday's previous video. So I'm going to give you a trade recap really quickly, and then if you guys want to continue watching the rest of the video and see how we were, why I'm with my TP up and everything, and why I acted why I did and did everything the way I did inside of the trade, it's all going to be in the live trading session where I'm going to be breaking it all down for you. Now, to get started, right over here, let me share my screen for you all. I'm going to need to move this for 1 second so I can see what I'm doing. Right, to get started on this trade recap, right over here, very, very simple. Now, we are currently at all-time highs, everybody. And just so you're well aware, while you are at all-time highs, you really don't want to be shorting, especially when the market is extremely bullish, because, we just want to keep going higher and higher. The only time I'm willing to short at all-time highs is to get a rebalance of a leg or a rebalance of a range. And that's exactly what we needed to do over here, as you guys could see previously, because we had a bunch of 5-minute fair value gaps that were unfilled as well. So my main draw has already been hit, obviously, at all-time highs, and you really don't want to target anything below unless you have imbalances or trendline liquidity or low resistance liquidity, right? So for our entry model, it was pretty basic, pretty simple. We just had a quick 1-minute inversion that you see on this next candle. Now, this candle did inverse all the way down here. It was going to screw up my risk to reward, so I didn't take that trade. I did set a limit order for my entry. You're going to see on the live trading session right around over here on the dot. And then you can see on the next candle, we did get tapped in. We stayed in drawdown for a little bit. Now, originally my TP was all the way at 206 or 50 points, and I just brought it up throughout. You'll see inside of my trade just because we were going to be inside of a 5-minute bullish for value gap, and I didn't want that to be a possible zone of rejection. So I did bring up my TP just for a nice 1 to 2 RR, and that's exactly what got hit. And you'll see, matter of fact, if I didn't do that, we would have gotten break even on the trade. So as soon as we took this low right here, we got break even, and then our full take profit got hit, in less than 20 seconds. You'll see in the live video because this candle just jumped right away. And don't tell me the whole entire video that wasn't even recording and it just glitched out on me. Anyway, screw the phone. Regardless, you guys should have been looking at my screen, not at my handsome face. All right. So if I didn't take my full TP here, it was, we literally rejected the next candle right back up, and we would have gotten break even. So good thing I did bring up my TP for a nice 1 to 2 RR, and that's basically gonna summarize the trade. Now, if you guys continue watching, you're going to see the live trading session with me and everyone inside the community, and a whole bunch of people caught it. If you do, first off, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and everything, all the good basic stuff. Hit the bell notifications so you guys see when I post everything new. But if you guys do want to learn how I do everything I do, if you guys want to get started in trading, you guys can click the link in the description. You guys can join. It's currently 50% off in the premium. It's for premium members only. So if you guys want to join, it's currently 50% off. It's a limited time sale to join my community. Again, you guys can check out my Instagram, my YouTube, my TikTok. I have a bunch of testimonials, vouchers, and a whole bunch of reviews that are only 5 stars inside of there. Why? Because I actually do everything I say I do. So if you guys do want to join, make sure you guys click the link in the description. Like, follow, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and if you guys continue watching, watch the rest of this video for the live trading session. But besides that, I'll see you guys all on the next video, or quite possibly just next week. Okay, guys? All right, let me turn on this recording. Again, it is risky to short at all-time highs just because, we may or may not want to be going higher. This is a half-size short. So it's half-size position. So even if I do lose this, we are still going to be up on the week. So that's why I'm not worried about taking this, okay? That's why I'm not worried about it. Let me extend this by 1 tick, just in case we do want to create equal highs. Stop loss is at 856, everybody. Again, it was a risky short. We are still in it, however, so it's not over until it's fully out. But yeah, we shall just wait and see. Again, we are still going to be up on the week, even if we do lose this, because it is a half-size position, so it's no worries. Alright, this is going to be our next break even. Instead, we're going to bring it up to this low. So as soon as we tap this low, we are going to go break even, just so you're all aware. Let me turn this off so you guys can get a better view of everything. And now it sounds like my computer's starting to overheat once again. You know, I didn't even see your answer. I didn't even see that question. He gave you a perfect answer though. That's literally the exact same thing that I would have told you. Secure your payouts and hop off. There's always other days to trade. Exactly. Keep your money. You know, why would you risk money you already made? Get your payout. Again, when we take out this low on either pair, I'm going to go break even. So it's going to be a risk-free setup, everybody. Why is my P&L glitching right now? Bro. There we go. See? Oh my god. This is gonna ruin the video. Fuck you, TradeSync. Anyway, we're about to go break even right now. If ES wants to take this low. Or NQ. Alright, so go break even. I am break even now, everybody. What I might do, okay, we're at 68. What's a 1 to 2 on this? I know it's a little bit up here somewhere. A 1 to 2 would be right around here. Okay, we're gonna bring our take profit up to here, everybody. We don't. I have a feeling it might want to reject. So I'll just take our 1 to 2. Okay. Oh no, that's wrong. I need to go back to break even properly. No overlap positions. Okay, we're gonna take our 1 to 2 R on this setup. Look at that. What a dump. Look at that. Give us it. That's full TP. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Now, I know my TradeSync was glitching, so that ruined the video. It's not even going to post correctly, but I'm up around 9.5K on the day. So that was literally a perfect execution. Look at that.